everybody. Going to Budapest for Sziget Festival. 3-hour bus ride, then I have a car picking me up to take me to the hotel. Got a 4-star hotel. And I have no idea what this driver's supposed to be. Where the fuck am I at, actually? Here's my room. This is my bed where people may or may not come back to. Mostly not, but fingers crossed. I need to move this lamp. I don't want to reach up here to move this lamp. I can only move about here to move this lamp. Oh, genius. Is this a TV? Look how thin that TV is. That's like only 3 inches thick. Just got to the festival, getting our tickets right now. Got my backstage pass. This is gonna be fun. It's already bumping. I'm all set up. I got my pass, free drinks, no complaints. I'm gonna be honest, I don't completely understand this. I don't understand the desire, the want to camp out. I also don't do drugs. That might really affect it. All right, only 5 minutes later, I kind of get it. I wish I could turn my brain off like this. I wish I could just chill, just sit here for a whole week and not have thoughts and just chill in the tents. I wish I was doing drugs. Backstage right now, just watched part of the first opening act of the show the day before I perform, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a battleground. I don't know how much you can hear. There's a lot of bleed over from the neighboring shows. The microphone is too quiet, especially because there's bleed over. Not a great omen for tomorrow, but at least it gets me prepared, get in the right headspace. Gonna have to fight for this. I'm not sure what's happening back there. If that's a Boer Apakini, that is a Boer Apakini. Day 2, and I'm on my way to breakfast. Very tired, just been woken up. I don't understand the point of a do not disturb sign on your door. And I'm gonna be woken up twice before 10, despite the do not disturb sign. Oh, it needs to be cleaned that much? Twice? That do not disturb? Oh, I'm sorry, walking on you naked, because why would you be in here trying not to be disturbed with a do not disturb sign? That would be ridiculous. Day 2, I just had that great breakfast. I don't think a human is supposed to eat a plate full of bacon. Also, I ate a bunch of eggs. I don't even like eggs, but there was so much bacon, I didn't even notice. My phone died last night because I don't plan very well. Didn't end up making it to the open mic I was gonna try to do to run through the last of my material before the show, but I got it. If I'm being honest, I know what I'm doing. It's only 20 minutes. So the private bus brings us backstage at 4. Shows at 7. A few people I want to see tonight are happening after me, so I think I'm spending like the whole night at the festival. But right now, I need to do something about my hair. It is so big. Like, not long, just big. But later. I'm tired. Anyway, I think I'm going back to sleep. The show was successful. It was quite loud in the room. There was a bleed over from Bastille playing on the main stage and also from something else playing on another stage, but the energy was fun, and now we have this to ourselves to eat. I'm honestly not sure if any of this audio is usable. There's so much bleed over from other bands, but yeah, finished my meal, good stuff. Everybody's kind of split up for the night. I get paid tomorrow. All the bands I want to see are on the MasterCard stage from 11:45 until 4:30 in the morning. I don't know that I'm going to stay for that entire thing. My phone's about to die again because it is dog shit. If anyone wants to help me get a phone, you can just donate a phone. I'm not against it. I'm not above it. And I'm done. Yeah, Sziget Festival in the bag. Money's in the bank. First festival under my belt. Honestly, I don't think I can go to another festival as a guest anymore. After you, like, this is my first time. Everybody's sleeping in tents. I got this. VIP treatment, free drinks, a 4-star hotel with like a delicious breakfast. Again, plate full of bacon. An artist meal, free food and snacks in the backstage, access to multiple places most people don't get. And they paid me to be there. Why would I go there like some kind of chump and not do this? That's crazy. So, festival bookers, please book me. Please, I'm very appreciative. Glastonbury 2019, whenever you're back, I'm here. The Wire Theater was really dope. I had to leave it a bit early because I wanted to see Aurora. Oh, she has a fantastic voice. Power of Stella, I saw him live. I don't know why I still feel the need to say live when I was at a festival. Actually, should be said because I saw Tommy Cash. He was like an Estonian ASAP. Dude played like 3 songs, and then for the 4th song, he just walked off stage, and the DJ just like played like 7 minutes of music without him. But his voice was still in it because it was just playback. And he just wasn't on stage. Ironically, my favorite song of this set was the one he wasn't there for. So, you know what? I guess I should say live. I do need that caveat, don't I? I don't know why I'm talking shit. We're contemporaries. I don't need to talk bad about my colleagues. That's right. It's me and Mumford and Sons. Me and Kendrick Lamar. All pretty much on the same level. My phone's dying, so I'm cutting this short.